Hi, we all think that we know ourselves. So, what if I ask you a question? Are you an emotional being or a logical one? Well, if you ask me, I would say I am a visual being because I dream in visuals, I imagine in visuals, I remember things in visuals. I have learned all my life using visual aids. So, for me and for most of us, visual things are important. We cannot ignore the fact that every letter in every script, in every language, is basically a picture first. We have associated sounds and meanings to those pictures, but basically, all the alphabets are pictures. So, visuals are important to us, all of us, and most of the things that we like, we first like them visually. If they are appealing to us visually, we tend to like those things, those experiences, people, places, situations, perspectives, views. If they are visually appealing to us, we accept them and we nurture them further. And the things that we like, they give us pleasure. We try to repeat them, repeat the experience again and again, so that we gain pleasure through it. So let us gain some pleasure today. Just a simple activity, it will give you confidence, and it will give you pleasure first. And it will teach you how to trust your ability to see things. Just a simple activity. Just you just go watch a movie and identify the most appealing scene in that movie, play the scene over and over again, say 5 to 10 times, and then identify the most powerful moment in that scene and take a screenshot, and then try to visualize, try to in fact analyze whether there is any uh, color scheme there, or some solid shapes, or maybe a big face. So basically shapes, colors, tones, and how they are placed, whether it's making some pattern, okay, smaller shapes, bigger shapes. And then you'll be amazed to understand the pattern that's there in the movie and the other things that you like visually. So please reply to this video in a message, which scene did you like and did you analyze. Happy viewing. Thank you.